Good morning, Steve Fried with the morning grain comments. When markets are lower, beans down about 8 to 9 cents, corn down 3, and wheat's down 10. Outside markets, stocks are a little bit higher, dollar's a little bit higher, crude's a little bit higher, and gold's a little bit higher. Financial markets are waiting for the Fed comments today. I think the big news overnight in the grains was the new shock therapy economic policy out of the new president of Argentina, basically cutting social programs and trying to bring in some of the expenses that they're paying and trying to get to a point where their economy is stronger. The IMF has agreed to all these policy changes. And the big question is, will they all get passed? Congress, he doesn't have the majority in Congress to talk about maybe doing some kind of executive order to get things passed. Farmer down there will probably like the fact that there's a chance that export taxes will be reduced and that the peso is going to be devaluated, which means potentially increased production and competition for U.S. exports. Meal market on the defensive because of good Argentina weather and expected a big rebound in Argentina's soybean supply in 2024. Brazil weather still the same, too much rain in the south, not enough in the central north. Looks like mid next week there'll be a rain event for that dry area of central north. Up until now, when we've got to those forecast rains, they've been less than expected. And there is talk about lower numbers as far as Brazil corn and maybe bean crop from USDA. Could be some heavy rains, parts of France, Germany, and the Baltic. Australia is seeing some rains. Farmers down there trying to get their wheat harvest finished before these rains occur. Much of the U.S. Midwest and northern plains will be dry. There is a big rain event right now in the Texas-Oklahoma Panhandle stretching into southwest Kansas, and these rains probably won't move much into Kansas, Colorado, or Nebraska. So when we look at other news, USDA did announce another 198,000 U.S. soybean sales known. Ethanol today, margins are weakening. We'll see what the numbers have to say. And again, when we look at the wheat futures volatility in the last 3 days, Monday was maybe the AI sold because China's done buying U.S. wheat. Yesterday, AI may have bought wheat futures because of the steep sell-off on Monday and the fact that the uptrend is still intact. So we're trying to see if we can hold some of these moving average support, but did fail to push over the 100-day moving average. So only volume that we're seeing trading in the wheat futures market is by these AIs, with most people other than that on the sideline because of volatility. So we'll see what the ethanol data suggests, tomorrow's export sales, any daily announcements. We'll be watching weather and the Fed comments.